Hello and welcome to a Math Fun Friday. You made it through week 6 of your workbook. You're doing so well, and I know you're doing well with manipulating numbers. So we're going to start with filling in a piece of this hundreds chart. So this is actually a 600s chart because it'll end at 600. It's just the piece of it. And this is a thousands. This will end at 1,000. This is just the piece of it. So we'll start with filling in the numbers that would go in these blanks. Then we're going to show multiple ways to model a number. So here we have 676. We're going to put that in standard form, expanded form, and use base 10 blocks to show this number. And then here we have a number in expanded form, and we want to change it to base 10 blocks, standard form, and the written form. The last thing down at the bottom, we are just going to subtract 10, and we are going to use our number, not pay attention to that ones place, and just change that tens place and create a new number. So let's start up here with filling in a piece of a hundreds chart. So as you know, you will need the secret compass to help you here. So if you look in other lessons during the same week, we know that when we go down on the hundreds chart, we are adding 10. When we go up on the hundreds chart, we are subtracting 10. When we go to the right, when we're going up this way, we add 1. And when we go back the other way, we subtract 1. So here we're going to focus a lot on the tens place and the ones place and how numbers are changing as they move on the hundreds chart. So right here I have 586. If I'm going back this way, look at my compass. If I'm going back this way, I am subtracting 1. So my ones place will change. So it'll be 580. What's 1 less than 6? 5. So you should have 585 there. Now I'm still going back. So I'm going to subtract another 1. Not my hundreds place, not my tens place, another 1. So 6, 5, this will be 584. See how only my ones place changes? 6, 5, 4. Now at this point, I have to go up, right? So if I go up, I'm subtracting 10. So I'll leave the ones place the same, and I will leave the hundreds place the same. But I will subtract from the tens place. So here I will have 500. 10 less than 80 is 74. I could keep going up because I know I'm subtracting a 10. So 80, 70, here would be 60. 564. So going this way was my ones place that got smaller because I subtracted 1. Going this way, my tens place got smaller because I subtracted 10. Now I have 2 more boxes to fill in. One is going back this way, so I'll subtract 1. And the other one, I have to go forward this way, so I'll add 1. So here, 1 less than 4 would be 573. Here, 1 more than 4, because I'm adding 1, would be 565. It's so important to write down what you know or use what you know. You have this from Monday and I believe Tuesday of this week. Go ahead and use what you know that was on your hundredths chart that you had this week, this compass. So now here I have 967. I have 2 directions that I can go. I can go up and subtract 10, or I could go to the left and subtract the 1s. So remember, when I'm subtracting 10, it's the tens place that changes. It gets smaller each time. So this is 967. This will be 957. See, because it's that tens place. This will be 947. Now I'm going back this way. I could from each number. And I could do 967. If I go back, I would subtract 1. So it'll be 966. So now that I know that each time I'm subtracting 1 going back, this was 966, this is 965. The 1's place changed. Same here, 957, 956, 955. Now this should be very easy because look, it's following the same pattern. 57, 67, 56, 66, 55, 65. So I have 947, 946, and here I have 945. This is really fun. It's a puzzle. Filling in a piece of the hundredths chart. It's a puzzle. We'll do more practice with this. Here, show multiple ways to model the number. This is one of the favorites of students. So here I can see this says 676. Standard form, 676. Expanded, 600 plus 70 plus 6. Base 10 blocks, I have 600 blocks. 2, 4, 6, and then 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now this one, they give me the expanded form so I can fill in the rest. But the expanded form is a little wacky. It looks like it's backwards. So no matter where the numbers are, I still need to be able to figure out the place value. So this is 700, hundreds place, 70, 7 goes in the tens place, and 5, 5 is in the ones place. 770. I had 7. I don't know if you caught that. That's how you know how to spell it. You find it all around you. 770. And then here we have 5. Base 10 blocks. I need 7 hundreds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 5 ones. Excellent job. putting all the pieces together, manipulating numbers, becoming geniuses. Down here at the bottom, we're just subtracting 10. So look at your tens place and look at your ones place. I have 2 in the ones place. I'm not going to do anything with that 2. I can just put it back here because it's just 0 there. But here I'm subtracting 10. So I will have 52. 51 minus 10, leave the ones place alone, I have 42. 72 minus 10, leaving that ones place alone, I have 62. And 39 minus 10, leave the ones place, I have 29. Excellent job. Today was very fun. A lot of number manipulation. This is so important. Very good job. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. I hope it's fun. And even if it's not super fun, I hope you can at least rest. And we will see you back here on Monday. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.